Hey guys, I just want to hop on here real quick and give another thank you video. And wow, you know, a month ago or so, I know it's a long time coming and I apologize. Had a lot going on, been sick. But all good, everything's good now, everything's great. But man, thank you for all of you all that reached out to me to tell me that Soup was doing something for me, had a gift for me. Thank you, Soup, Ethan, you guys are amazing. I was not expecting that. My family had a little bit of a rough ride. Man, you talk about somebody helping out. Wow. I'm not going to divulge the amount that Soup sent me, but it was very significant. It was amazing. You know, and I promised to pay it forward. It helped us immensely. Get through a rough little patch there. Thank you again so much. And again, I intend to pay it forward. Look for every opportunity. We usually do try to help a lot. Not to honk our own horn, but we will continue to do so. And in Soup and Ethan's honor, and everyone's honor, every one of their followers, we will intend to do that in honor of all you guys. That's what we will do for sure, no doubt. When we do gift something for someone, we'll make sure they know that it is in the honor of Soup, Dallas, Soup, Ethan, and their followers and fans. Again, I can't tell you how much the positivity from Soup and Dallas and all of you guys that follow them, it is truly amazing. I've done social media stuff here and there for decades now, and people it can be pretty negative, you know. People can be pretty just plain mean, I guess, you know, the trollers and such. But not here. Man, I tell you what, it's utopia. I found a place where it's amazing, the positivity. It just is. I mean, you guys actually sent me money to help me with my bills. Oh my gosh, and my family. You guys actually sent money, real money, to me and my family. And Soup, true to his word, he doubled it. He doubled it. It was amazing. It was awesome. It was huge help, and I just can't tell you. I mean, I'm at a loss for words because of how humbling this is. And I just wish that, you know, I could shake each one of your hands and thank you personally. I hope this little video was enough.